Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the reason why we are relocating to another state. Relocating to another state has been one of the things we do over the years, and is getting used to us because of the commission where we serve. But reasons why we are relocating now, if you are used to the Winners Chapel Commission, you will know that during September and August, they normally do what they call summer posting. That is, it is when they transfer pastor from one station to another, maybe from one state to another state. So this time around, yes, my husband is part of those who have been transferred to another state. And that is why we are relocating. Yes, last year also we were transferred to this station where we are now, and this year also again we are transferred to another station, and this station this time is even, it is far. Yes, it is far, but we don't have choice than to go to that station because the people there are already waiting for us, and we have to go and serve the people. But one thing that comes with relocating is not easy, because you have to be packing your load. You have to make sure that the children, you talk to the children so that they will prepare their mind, because they have to change their schools. And for my children, changing school is normal for them now, because they are now grown to it, and we explain to them and they know the reasons why they have to change school, because we cannot leave them behind. Who are we going to leave them for? So we have to carry them along to the new station and get a new school for them, and also put them in that school so that they can be going pending when we are going to stay in that station. And also packing, yes, it's not easy packing your things from one location to another, because most times when we do that packing, transferring the load from one state to another, you get to get some things that will be broken, some things we even lost, some things you will not even find them again, and you have to start buying and replacing all of those things. Yes, it's part of the sacrifices we make as men of God. Yes, my husband is a man of God, me, I'm wife to a man of God. So yes, that's the reason why we are relocating. If you notice, some of our pastors have been transferred. Some have even resumed their station. Presently, they are already in their new station. Some were not transferred, so they still continue their service in their present station. But for those of us who are transferred, yes, we just have to relocate. Also, you are going to miss the people who you have built relationship here with. Yes, you are going to miss them a whole lot, because they have been part of your life. They have helped you in one way or the other. You have gained one or two things from them, but now you just have to separate because of the transfer. But it's normal, and yes, people are getting used to it. As a matter of fact, they know that yes, once transfer come, the pastor is gone, the new pastor come, they try to build another relationship with the new pastor, and they go on and on and on like that with their life. Yes, that is the reason why we are relocating. And this time we are relocating to the eastern part of Nigeria. As a matter of fact, me making this video, I'm making this video in the western part of Nigeria, where we are serving, or where our service just ended, and now we are being transferred to the eastern part of Nigeria. We have never been to that area before, but we'll be going there for the first time, and I believe God's message is going to go with us. So join us in your prayer as God take us to that place, and we pray for greater impact. We pray for signs and wonders. We pray for diverse manifestation of God's power upon his people, and we pray that all through our time in that place there shall be no loss. And also we pray that the people we are going to serve will be greatly blessed. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.